Transformer design or workflow. Here I'm going to make a transformer design software like this in Excel, though it's many information, massive, like massive. So first I will introduce with um, the sheets that what I'm thinking. Like the first there will be the data input, system, I will discuss later. Then the coil design, how the coil will be. Then the coil disk, if that will be the disk winding, that how whatever the segment or how much the disk winding, whatever that has. Then the coil weight calculation, if that will be stack code, then here will be that will be calculated. Insulation design, tank design, then channel and other fitting design, and output will be like this one for the coil mainly. Then output of the tank and other fittings design, build sheet, that what will shape and others later. And then the routine test, see everything is here. I'll discuss. It takes a long time. I just introduce with the main sheet what I'm going to see. While test breakdown. Yes, this is very important. The dissolved gas analysis is a very important test for the transformer. And then physical inspection or physical test. Physical inspection for Bangladesh, especially use this temperature rise test. This mainly define how temperature will be going on the full, in say for the on-series 65 or 5 degrees Celsius. So it's close to higher than that. So that is not for the system. Like 200 kVA they discuss about this, that will be not done if it exists more than 25 or 65 degrees Celsius. And here the impulse test, routine test, impulse test, how it should look like, and keep here some of the information from CPR. And it's special just to think about this 3%. Then the beyond, and here's some down insulation materials detail. I take the information from here and ancestor. Here is a special things showing as per I see the permode or the press board in the what is the characteristic that will be here. Here my storage size of conductor core detail. I calculated that core detail. Core that what will it be for losses per kg or LD according to the thickness. Let me discuss later. Here is the IC and C standard difference. Main difference is to some area and number for losses, insulation, process and efficiency, DOE, Department of Electrical, voltage and insulation. How it should be, list of customer, list of manufacturer, USA, inclusion data here, global inclusion data here, load breaks ways. Usually for non-system data, we use this type of switches here. Yeah, the fuse link, bayonet, and other exercise. Cases and how I work, I try to keep some history. So later on, we will discuss the whole detail next time. Thank you to be with us.